Solved problems. Worksheet, income statement and balance sheet. Problem. Ask company provides design services to various clients. It uses a calendar year. The unadjusted trial balance as of December 31, 2021 is shown below. Account titles. Debit, credit. Cash debit 47,198.85. Notes receivable debit 87,500. Service fees credit 87,000. Furniture and fixtures debit 31,100.25. Owner's capital 412,500 credit. Repair and maintenance 2,200.75 debit. Accounts payable 294,300.25 credit. Prepaid rent 12,000 debit. Transport and travel 25.50. Accounts receivable 160,000. Supplies expense 2,825.75. Taxes and licenses 12,576.85. Miscellaneous 4,301.40. Utilities expense 2,070.570. Utilities payable 0.30. Salaries expense 12,750.50. Salaries payable 10,750.50. Owners drawings 57,815.50. Equipment 371,750 debit. Notes payable 50,000 credit. Unearned income 20,200 credit. Buildings 50,000 debit. Land 20,000 debit. Total debits 874,751.05. Total credits 874,751.25. The company is preparing its year-end financial statements. The following were noted. 1. Ask entered into a one-year contract for billboard advertising on August 1, 2021. The monthly rent for the billboard is 100 payable at the start of each month. It has already paid for the rentals for August to December 2021. 2. Ask received a 10% 5,000 1-year note receivable from a customer on October 31, 2021. Both the principal and interest on the note are due a year after. 3. Ask acquired on equipment. 3. Ask acquired an equipment on November 30, 2021 for 8,000. The machine has an estimated useful life of 8 years. 4. 5,000 of the total accounts receivable is estimated to be doubtful for collection. 5. The prepaid rent covers the period from September 1, 2021 to August 31, 2022. Request 1. Worksheet for the year ending December 31, 2021. 2. Financial statements, balance sheet and income statement. Solution. 10-column worksheet. Unadjusted trial balance debit credit. Adjustments debit credit. Adjusted trial balance debit credit. Income statement debit credit. Balance sheet debit credit. Unadjusted trial balance. Cash 47,198.85 debit. Accounts receivable 160,000 debit. Notes receivable 87,500 debit. Prepaid rent 12,000 debit. Land 20,000 debit. Buildings 50,000 debit. Equipment 371,750 debit. Furniture and fixtures 31,100.25 debit. Accounts payable 294,300.25 credit. Salaries payable 10,750.50 credit. Utilities payable 0.30 credit. Notes payable 50,000 credit. Unearned income 20,200 credit. Owner's capital 412,500 credit. Owner's drawings 57,815.50 debit. Service fees 87,000 credit. Taxes and licenses 12,576.85 debit. Repairs and maintenance 2,200.75 debit. Transportation and travel 25.50 debit. Supplies expense 2,825.75 debit. Miscellaneous 4,301.40 debit. Utilities expense 2,705.70 debit. Salaries expense 12,750.50 debit. Total debits 874,751.05. Total credits unadjusted trial balance 874,751.05. Now the adjustments. Allowance for doubtful debts 5,000 credit. Interest on notes receivable 83.33 debit. Working 5000 into 10 by 100 by 12 into 2 months 83.33. Prepaid rent 4000. Working 12,000 by 12 into 4 months 4000. Accumulated depreciation on equipment 83.33. 8000 by 8 by 12 into 1 month. And advertisement rent payable 300. 10 into 3 months 300. Rent expense 4000. 12,000 by 12 into 4000. Advertising rent expense 300. 100 into 3 months 300. Interest on notes receivable income 83.33. 5000 into 10% by 12 into 2 months 83.33. Credit. Depreciation on equipment 83.33. Debit 8000 by 8 by 12 into 1 month. Bad debts 5000. Debit. Total debits of adjustments 9466.66. 9466.66. Total credits. Now adjusted trial balance. Cash debit 47,198.85. Accounts receivable 160,000 debit. Allowance for doubtful debts 5000 credit. Notes receivable 87,500 debit. Interest on notes receivable 83.33 debit. Prepaid rent 8000 debit. Land 20,000 debit. Buildings 50,000 debit. Equipment 371,750 debit. Accumulated depreciation on equipment 83.33 credit. Furniture and fixtures 31,100.25 debit. Accounts payable 294,300.25 credit. Salaries payable 10,750.50 credit. Utilities payable 0.30 credit. Notes payable 50,000 credit. Unearned income 20,200 credit. Advertising rent payable 300 credit. Owner's capital 412,500 credit. Owner's drawings 57,815.50 debit. Service fees 87,000 credit. Taxes and licenses 12,576.85 debit. Repairs and maintenance 2,200.75 debit. Transportation and travel 25.50 debit. Supplies expense 2,825.75 debit. Miscellaneous expense 4,301.40 debit. Utilities expense 2,705.70 debit. Salaries expense 12,750.50 debit. Rent expense 4,000 debit. Advertising rent expense 300 debit. Interest on note receivable income 83.33 credit. Depreciation on equipment debit 83.33. Bad debts debit 5,000. Total debits adjusted trial balance 880,217.71. Total credits of the adjusted trial balance 880,217.71. Now let us prepare income statement. Service fees 87,000. Tax and licenses 12,506.85. Repairs and maintenance 2,200.75. Transportation and travel 25.50. Supplies expense 2,825.75. Miscellaneous 4,301.40. Utilities expense 2,705.70. Salaries expense 12,750.50. Rent expense 4,000. Advertising rent expense 300. Interest on notes receivable income 83.33. Depreciation on equipment 83.33. Bad debts 5,000. There is a net income of 40,313.33 in income summary account. Total debits of income statement 87083.33. Total credits 87083.33. Now comes balance sheet. Cash debit 47,198.85. Account receivable debit 160,000. Allowance for doubtful debts credit 5,000. Notes receivable 87,500 debit. Interest on notes receivable 83.33. Prepaid rent 8,000 debit. Land 20,000 debit. Buildings 50,000 debit. Equipment 371,750 debit. Accumulated depreciation on equipment 83.33 credit. Furniture and fixtures 31,100.25. Accounts payable 294,300.25 credit. Salaries payable 10,750.50 credit. Utilities payable 0.30 credit. Notes payable 50,000 credit. Unearned income 20,200 credit. Advertising rent expense 300 credit. Owner's capital 412,500 credit. Owner's drawings 57,815.50 debit. Net profit 47,313.55. Total debits in balance sheet 833,477.93. Total credits in the balance sheet 833,447.93. Ask a company income statement for the period ended December 31, 2021. On the credit side, service fees 87,000, interest on notes receivable, income 83.33, total 87083.33. On the debit side, taxes and licenses 12,576.85, repairs and maintenance 2,200.75, transportation and travel 25.50, supplies expense 2,825.75, miscellaneous expense 4,301.40, utilities expense 2,705.70, salaries expense 12,780, 12,750, salaries expense 12,750.50, rent expense 4,000 debit, advertising rent expense 300 debit, depreciation on equipment 83.33 debit, bad debts 5,000 debit, net profit 40,313.55, total debits 87083.33. Ask a company balance sheet as on December 31, 2021. Liabilities, assets. On the asset side, current assets, cash, debit 47,198.85, accounts receivable 160,000, less allowance for doubtful debts 5,000, net accounts receivable 155,000, note receivable 87,500, interest on notes receivable 83.33, prepaid rent 8,000, total current assets 297,782.18, non-current assets, land 20,000, buildings 50,000, equipment 371,750, less accumulated depreciation on equipment 83.33, net buildings 371,666.67, furniture and fixtures 31,100.25, total non-current assets 472,766.92, total assets 770,549.10. On the liability side, accounts payable 294,300.25, salaries payable 10,750.50, utilities payable 0.30, notes payable 50,000, unearned income 20,200, advertising rent payable 300, total liabilities 375,551.05, owner's equity, owner's capital 412,500, less owner's drawings 57,815.50, add net profit 40,313.55, total owner's equity 394,998.05, total liabilities on the owner's equity 775,49.10. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.